Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've been searching for a simple way to organize your tasks, plan your week, and actually get things done without feeling overwhelmed, then you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through building a professional-looking weekly to-do list in Notion, and we'll be using a free template to make things even simpler and faster. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a custom to-do dashboard that fits your style, but you'll also know exactly how to use it to keep your week on track. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to use a ready-made template rather than starting from scratch. Notion offers a variety of templates, and we'll be working with the weekly to-do list dashboard because it's free, looks professional, and is easy to customize. Using a template isn't just about saving time, it's like moving into a house that already has the walls painted and the furniture arranged, so you can immediately start living in it and make it feel like home. You still have the freedom to decorate later, but you're not stuck building walls or hunting for a sofa. So here's what you need to do. When you're in Notion, look up to the very top left of your workspace. You'll see a little drop-down or menu icon. Give that a click to expand more options. If you're new to Notion, this area is kind of like your toolbox, filled with different features you can use to get your workspace exactly how you like it. Take a moment to find it, and don't worry if you have to hover around a bit. It's a common spot for many different workspace tools. Once those options are open, look for something labeled Browse Templates. Click on that. Templates in Notion can be thought of like blueprints. They give you a structured foundation for your pages, so you don't need to start with a blank canvas. In the search bar that pops up, type Weekly To-Do List. You can browse through a few different options. They all have a professional vibe but might differ in layout or style. Find one that visually feels comfortable to you, whether it's minimalist, colorful, or somewhere in between. Select the one you like best, then just hit Add to bring it into your own Notion workspace. Now the template is ready for you to make it your own. This is where the fun begins. At this point, you can start adding your weekly tasks and credentials. Think of it like naming the rooms in your new house and deciding what goes into each one. The template will usually have different sections for each day or project. Take a few moments to look at how it's laid out. You can enter your tasks, deadlines, and even add details or notes for each item. If you're a creative person, you might want to customize the colors, icons, or even add inspirational quotes or images that motivate you throughout the week. Personalizing your template matters because it helps you stay engaged with your system. The more it reflects your style and needs, the more likely you are to actually use it throughout the week. Don't worry if it doesn't feel perfect at first, you can always make tweaks later. The beauty of Notion is that you can move things around, change designs, and add new ideas whenever you like, and that's basically it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a powerful weekly planner that not only looks great, but actually helps you stay organized. If you ever want to update it or add more pages, remember you can return and customize any part of your dashboard. I hope this tutorial makes your week a little more productive and a lot less stressful. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share how you personalize your template. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.